Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality. Check out this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod. That's right, we're talking about some of the best grass your money can buy. Drought tolerant, shade tolerant, and it has the ability to take on a tremendous amount of foot traffic. So if you have dogs or if you just like to play out with your grandkids, this is a great grass to have. In addition, we also came up with a solution to deal with the water that was coming in on this customer's landscape, not only from one neighbor, but from two different neighbors' yards. And the way in which we dealt with that is by coming up with a dry creek bed design that allowed for us to be able to appropriate that water and then take it to a specific location, that being where this drain box was, and it was the original drain box that the developer created. So we just had to clean it out and make it possible for the water to now fall into that area. But as you can see, the way in which we graded this landscape gave us the ability to be able to take all the water that comes out of the sky and allow for it to fall to the path of least resistance. Also allow for us to be able to waterproof this entire foundation of the home with the beautiful decorative gravel. And it allowed for us to be able to deal with the water that was coming off of this hillside that is now going to go through this dry creek bed and be appropriated into this drain box. And so all of this, guys, is a marvel of engineering, and it speaks to the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're always focused on giving our customers more quality and more quantity of service than what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what we did here today by giving this customer the ultimate outdoor landscape transformation, completely transforming their landscape. If you go look at the before video, this was in a complete mess. There was a lot of erosion happening. We've solved this customer's landscape for once and for all by being able to bring in this beautiful dry creek bed design that allows for us to be able to appropriate that water, and then also giving them this beautiful landscape design with the Zeon Zoysia Sod. It just doesn't get any better than that. So if you're in the Bentwater 7 Hills area, that's where we're at right now, and you have a landscape drainage problem where maybe you're in the same position where the water is coming from your neighbor's yard and your other neighbor's yard. Maybe you're 25 feet above your neighbor as well. But it also says we have a solution for that, and it requires us to come out, provide you with a detailed line itemized quote, help you understand where your money's going. And that's what we do on a consistent basis right here in the Paulding County and surrounding areas. So make sure that you click the link below or go to www.quotemylandscape.com for your free quote right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.